Welcome to AI with AZ, your go-to channel for unlocking the potential of artificial intelligence in everyday life. We're diving into the world of AI, what it is, how it's evolving, and the profound impact it's having on our daily lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines designed to mimic human intelligence. This encompasses learning from experience, adapting to new inputs, and performing tasks that typically require human cognition. From its inception, AI has transformed from simple problem-solving algorithms to complex systems capable of understanding natural language, recognizing images, and even making decisions. In recent years, AI has made significant strides. For instance, companies like Microsoft are investing heavily in AI infrastructure, with plans to allocate $80 billion towards AI-enabled data centers in 2025. This investment underscores the growing importance of AI in various sectors. AI's integration into our daily lives is more profound than ever. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, to AI-driven medical diagnostics and personalized content recommendations, AI is enhancing efficiency and personalization. However, with these advancements come challenges. The rise of AI-generated content, sometimes referred to as AI slop, is flooding the internet, making it increasingly difficult to distinguish between genuine and fabricated information. This proliferation underscores the need for digital literacy and critical thinking. Moreover, AI is being leveraged in sophisticated scams. Cybersecurity experts warn of AI bots analyzing social media activities to craft hyper-personalized phishing emails, making them harder to detect and increasing the risk of fraud. While AI offers remarkable benefits, it's crucial to approach its integration with a critical eye, acknowledging both its potential and the ethical considerations it entails. As AI continues to evolve, its influence on our lives will only expand. Staying informed and adaptable is key to harnessing its full potential. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, empowering you with AI. AI with AZ.